Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nwaezeedavid, and in this video I'll be walking you through how to register your business in the UK using quality company formations. Now before I share my screen with you to show you how this is done, I would like to point out that so many non-UK residents can actually register their business in the UK from the comfort of their homes. Now with that being said, I've listed all the supported countries in an article and you'll find the link in the description of this video, so go ahead and check it right now and see if your country is among that list. And remember, this video is meant to educate and inform you of the possibility of owning a UK-based business. Alright, so at this point I need you to pay close attention and avoid any form of distraction, because I'm going to share my screen right now and show you how to register the business in the UK. Let's go. Alright, so when you click on the link in the description of this video, you'll be taken straight to this page. So the first thing you need to do is to enter the name of the business you want to register. Now let's assume I want to register in here. Okay, I want to register this name in the US. I'm going to enter it here and click on search. Now it's going to search this name and see if it's available in the UK. Now congratulations, the company name is available. Now if your own business name is available, you're going to get this congratulations message. Now once that is done, you're going to click on select choose a package. Now assuming your business name is not available, it will tell you that it's not available, so you're going to search again and search another name that is available. So let's go ahead and choose a package. Alright, so this is the package page where you're going to select the package you want for your business. Now you can see there's basic, there's privacy plus, and there's fully inclusive package. Now if you are registering a business in the UK as a non-UK resident, you can go ahead and select non-UK residents here. Okay, you select this package and then you proceed with your order. Just click on order. Okay, just scroll down and see what is included in your order. Now I'm assuming that you are registering this business as a non-UK resident, so I'm gonna continue with this option. So go ahead and select non-resident package, click on order. It's going to take you to the page where you're going to make your payments. Go through this additional service and make sure that any other service that you want is included in your package. As you can see, you're paying £69. Sorry. Okay, so let's go down and check. So this ICO registration service is important to avoid fines, so we're going to add it. We're going to add it to our form. Now if you want a company seal, this is optional. You can include it, okay, if you want it. Now if you want a GDPR compliance package, since it's UK that you are registering your business, so you might need this thing. If you own a website and all that, you can need this package. But if it is not compulsory anyway, it's optional, so you can add it if you want. Let's scroll down. Because you're not a UK resident, you need to legalize your documents. Make sure that all your documents are legalized, so it will give you more advantage. So make sure to add this. Because you're non-UK resident, add it. So this total of everything we've added, click on check this box that says agree to terms and conditions. As you can see, total amount you're paying around £289. So go ahead and click on checkout. Now once you've done that, you're going to make payment for this. You're going to make payment, but first of all you need to enter your details, enter your email and password. Now this email and password will be used to create an account for you. Now so that after you have made your payment, you can log into your dashboard and monitor the progress of your business registration. So go ahead right now, enter your email address and password, create a password, then enter your first name, last name, phone number, enter your address, click on enter address. This address is a UK address, or you can actually change it to your country's address. Let's say for example, I'm going to select Nigeria. Okay, you can enter your address here. Just select your country, select the address, enter, make sure the address is correct, everything, enter, submit the address. Once you've done that, it will automatically appear here. Then you enter your name, then enter your card detail, your credit card detail, your expiry months and year, and CVC. This number is that 3-digit number at the back of your credit card. So enter it here and then make your payment. And once you have make your payment, like I said before, your account will be created. You log into your dashboard and then monitor the progress of your business registration. It's straightforward. You don't need to do much. Okay, everything will be done for you and you receive your registered business documents. Go ahead right now, make a payment, and let me know if you have any question in the comment section, and I'll do well to answer you. So there you have it, a step-by-step tutorial guide helping you register your business in the UK from the comfort of your home. Now, I recommend you take advantage of this opportunity right now and have your business registered in UK. Now, I've done something for you and I need you to do something for me in return. I need you to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you have not done so you don't miss out on any of my updates, and also share this video with your friends. Now, the link to quality company formation is in the description of this video, so go ahead and check it right now, and I'll see you in the next video.